In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join a clan or a team on Stumble Guys game. So first of all, of course, if you don't have the Stumble Guys on your phone, you'll need to go and download it. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you actually do that, you will be able to start playing the game. Of course, you don't require any login in or any creation to your account if you are new to this game. This game logged you into your account directly and create your account directly or automatically if it's your first time. Of course, if you even want to play this game on your PC, you'll find a video on the channel how to do that exactly. So just make sure to go check it out if you're interested. So let me just go here and open my game. So maybe you'll notice that my game opens directly. That's because I'm actually using the Stumble Guys on PC and the game was already opened on my PC. But for you, just go and click on it. You will need to wait a bit until it loads and until it logged in or to create your account depending on your situation. Of course, when you are here at the home or at the main screen, as we said, if you want to join a clan or a party or a team, simply you will need to go and click at the party option here. And from here, you will need to enter the code of your clan, of your team, of your party, and you will tell me, oh, where can I get this code from? So let me just show you by creating a party. So let's just wait until it's created. As you can see, the party or the clan or the team, it could be up until 32 players. So of course, as you can see, there is a code here, which is the room code. You can just go and send this code to your friends or ask the clan leader or the team leader and to send you that code if you want to join by just go into the party and entering that code here and click at join and you'll be joining them. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.